There are a couple of extra features that only become available in the theme customizer once they're activated from the WordPress admin panel. These include a custom header image and also custom menus. We're going to look at custom menus in the next movie. In this movie, we're going to look at how you can add custom header images to your themes. Now, custom header images are theme specific, meaning some themes support them and some don't. If your theme supports custom header images, the theme designer and developer have chosen a specific size and a specific position for this custom header image. Generally, they'll display as a large image at the top of your site, but in some cases, you'll also find the custom header image is just a small logo area in the top right or left-hand corner. This is entirely up to the theme designer and developer, so you have to check with the theme you're currently using to find out exactly how the image is going to be implemented. To see how all this works, I'm going to upload a custom header image to my site. The first thing I need to do is add a new custom header image from the back end of my site. I can do that either by going to the toolbar and selecting header, or by going to the admin panel, find appearance, and then select header. Both of these take me to the custom header location. Here I see a preview of my current header. I also have the header text options that you found in the customizer that allow me to turn the header text on and off, and also change the color of the header text if I want to. But what I'm concerned with now is adding a header image, and that's done under the Select Image box. Here I can either upload a new image, or I can choose an existing image from my media library. What's worth noting here is that the theme suggests that the header image is at least 1260 pixels wide. The suggested width is 1260, the suggested height is 240. This size is important because this is what will look best in your theme. So if you create a custom header image for your site, make sure that you follow this suggested width and height. If your image is larger than the suggested size, it's not a real problem. WordPress will help you crop it down so that it fits properly. Let me show you how that works. I'm going to click on Choose File and upload a file that I've created just for this purpose. So here I have a new header image, and I'll click Upload. Now WordPress shows me the header image and gives me a cropper. So here I can crop the image to exactly the size I want. I can make it smaller or larger, so I'm going to crop it like this. And then I can choose either to click Crop and Publish, which means WordPress will make a new version of the image that's that exact size, or I can click Skip Cropping, Publish Image as Is. This will result in the entire image being uploaded exactly as it is. In most cases, you want to click Crop and Publish, but if you created a transparent ping file and you want to use the transparency in your header, you have to choose Skip Cropping, Publish Image as Is, because then WordPress will use that ping file and not create a new JPEG just for this purpose. I'm going to click Crop and Publish, and now you see the preview of my site is different. I now have this new header image. You can still see the title, and as I scroll down, we have a new option, Uploaded Images. Because I can now upload several different header images, and I can either choose one of those header images, or I can have WordPress display a random header image every time someone visits the site. I can also choose to remove the image by clicking Remove Header Image here, but that only takes the image away from the header. It doesn't delete the image out of my system, so it'll still appear down here, and I'll still have the option of reapplying it later. Now that I've uploaded an image, I can click Save Changes, and go to the front end to look at my site. Now you see I have a nice big header image at the top here, but because the header image has my logo in it, it's kind of strange that the name of the site also appears in the title area. So now I'm going to go to the customizer, find site title and tagline, and remove the site title and tagline. This is a much better display and it also makes much more sense. While I'm in the customizer, note that now that I've uploaded a header image, I have a header image option. Here I can select between the different uploaded header images that I'm using, and I can also choose to remove the existing image. The only thing I can't do is upload new header images from here. If you want to add new header images, it has to be done from the admin panel because of that cropping I showed you. You simply can't do the cropping from within the customizer. Once you made the changes you want, either cancel to go back to the way it was, or click Save and Publish, close the customizer, and the site now has the new custom appearance.